Area hit hard 3 years ago was the Fort Calhoun nuclear plant, which had water in the parking lot. Tonight, we are getting reassurance from the utility that this will not happen again. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Josh Egbert gives us a unique behind-the-scenes look you'll see only on 3.
Officials here at Fort Calhoun say they don't expect the floodwaters to reach the state they were back in 2011, but they're not taking any chances with some vital equipment.
We don't know for certain if they'll make it to that levels, but we want to be prepared just in case they do.
They are filling thousands of sandbags at the plant as they hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
This one is forecast to come up and go back down quickly. But we have arrangements that if we need to put in portable pumps to get any seepage that may come in there, we can do that.
They've placed sandbags around switch boxes, barriers around this building, which is key to the plant's operation.
This is an important facility because we bring our power in off of the grid to keep the plant operating.
Right now, the Missouri River in Fort Calhoun sits at 998 feet. If it reaches 1,000 feet, workers will shut down the plant. New protocol 3 years later.
We wrote down all of the lessons that we learned from the flooding of 2011, and we are applying that learning here.
In 2011, the plant remained underwater for more than 100 days. Then a string of unrelated problems kept the plant closed until last winter. It began operating at 100% in December. Hansen says crews will do everything they can to prevent flooding and going offline. But if they do, customers won't be affected.
If the power plant shuts down, the company will make arrangements to replace that power and make sure that all of our customers continue to provide power.
Hansen says they will be monitoring the river throughout the weekend. They expect the crest to happen sometime over the weekend. Reporting from Fort Calhoun, Josh Egbert, KMTV Action 3 News.
The rising